Hey, how are you guys? In this video I'll show you all the new features of the version 1.1 of the Procedural Terrain Generator plugin. The algorithm for nature and actors generation has been improved. Now it's more accurate and optimized. And now, per each bioma element, you can choose between 3 different rotation types. In the last version you have the random rotation boolean. Now you could choose between a random rotation, the terrain shape normal, and mesh surface normal. We will explain that. Normally you should use the random rotation for stones and things like that to make more variety with only a few meshes. The terrain shape normal, it represents like the normal of the terrain itself, so it's perfect for the trees and things like that. And then you have the mesh surface normal, that it's good for things like grass or nature that has to be like stick to the floor of the nature. As you can see here, the grass is, or this element is with the mesh surface normal, and the trees are with the terrain normal, and the stones with random rotation. Okay, now you can create a static mesh from the terrain mesh itself. So if we hit this new button that it's in the PTG actions, you can choose where to save this terrain. We will call it like this. Yep, there it is. And now you have the static mesh created from the generated procedural terrain. So you can here you can apply some lots or export it to your editing programs, or do whatever you want with it. Then we have another update. You can now set where it is here in the natures and actors generation. You can set a Cull Distance to make more efficient the rendering for long maps with many natures. As you can see, I have here, this is okay, we will set like 1 kilometer. This means that the nature will fade when the camera is at 1 kilometer of each element. As you can see, it's fading out. The more I go back. So in terrains as big as this one, don't save. It's interesting because if not, the GPU will be on fire. You will want this feature in your games for sure. I hit play. Here I have a 1.5 kilometer distance. I think it's enough to see many nature, but with a low cost on GPU. Yeah, that's great. That's a great distance. Whoop. Well, and that's all for now. You also have a little improvement on the debug messages. You have here a new category where you can choose if you want the debug messages or the time that will be on the screen, but they are also printed to the log. Okay, I will show you. We will generate a random terrain with random seed. This terrain is so big, so it took 7.6 seconds. Well, I only have 5 seconds, but in the output log, here you can see all the messages. You can see that, yeah, the nature generation took 3.4 seconds. The terrain itself 0.3, and then the sum of all is 7.6 because of some overhead time and rendering time. Well, some other minor bug fixes and general optimizations were made to this new 1.1 version. So that's all for now. I think these are good improvements, and I hope you will enjoy that, and that can be useful for you in your own creations. Thank you so much, and thanks for using the procedural terrain generations. Bye.